Is neon dead? It had a good run for over 100 years, but has its time finally come? Neon may not be dead, but it is on a resuscitator. Neon was first successfully demonstrated in 1910 by Georges Claude at the Paris Motor Show. It's still manufactured pretty much the same way. Many neon shops have closed as more efficient technologies, such as LED, have taken hold. However, there are still billions of lineal feet of neon that still must be maintained, repaired, and replaced. Neon tubes require high voltage to operate, perhaps as much as 15,000 volts. Accidental electrocution and fires are rare, but are more likely if wired incorrectly. Compare that to LEDs, which utilize 12 or 24 volt power supplies. So you love the look of authentic neon, but you want to avoid the risk and high energy costs of neon? What are your options? LED border or accent tubing, also called faux neon, is now available in a nearly unlimited array of colors, contours, and profiles. Some are bendable and can be cut in the field. Best of all, as volume goes up, the price is going down. Many national brands are returning to the look of neon for their retail stores. Energy-efficient LEDs combined with creative engineering have revitalized this 110-year-old favorite. If you like the look of neon, you might want to look again at alternate technologies.